keep an eye out on his pedestal.
Ready?
Yeah. Hi guys, we're at Staythorpe Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with JM Trainton Adam. No, I mean JJ Trainton Adam.
Bo's going down now.
There we go now. Next time we're going to be quiet because this barrier is not the greatest for audio, but on the next closure we're going to have to be silent when it goes down so that I can get it. Right, the time now is 10:45 on the 15th of October on a Saturday, and this is for, or 2016, this is for your 10:45 Tulina 63 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. Yes, it is actually 10:45 right now. It should have been down like 2 minutes ago. Oh, the barrier is really slowly coming off the front. Really slowly.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's moving up then. Keep a close eye on it, guys. And we might be on auto raise, I don't really know. Nope, we're on manual raise today. Up they go.
Up they go.
I'll show everyone the skirt going crazy on the barrier. Wait, the motor just revved up again then.